So next is a set data type. So we already know that set contains unique data items and it is immutable, unchangeable, unordered. Here set is created like this: variable name, then specify the values separated by comma and close in curly bracket. Fine. Now I want to print this set, then simply print set 1, and here we can see that all the values of a set are printed. Now like list, I cannot use subscript to access these values. I cannot directly use the index similar to list over here. It is, just see the error, just look at the error. Set object is not subscriptable, means it is not an ordered data type, and we cannot change these values also because we are not able to use subscript. But we can have a for loop for I in for s in set 1. What I can do is I can print this set values one by one like this, right? Just see. So here 1 3 5 7 9. So I can use for loop, but right now we have not learned for loop. So just remember that if we want to iterate through this all the items, then we can use for loop. Or there are also functions to perform various, say, operations like intersection, union, complement of a set. All there are functions to perform this set operation, but right now we will not go in detail of that. Now let us determine the type of this particular variable, right? So let us have this statement, print statement, directly to determine the type of the set statement. So here we have a set1, variable name is set1, and here also we have to specify the name of the variable, that is a set1. So it will print a message, type of set1 variable is here, it will determine the actual type. So now let us run. So we can see that the type is set. Now let us create a second set variable and let us look at. So here we have a set3, right? Set variable with name 3, and here I have 5 values. First value is string, second is integer, third is bool, again integer, and then again string. So I can have, say, this is a float. So we have a different data type values, and I can have different data type values within a set also. It is not compulsory that our set contains only one type of values like this. Here we have all integer values, but it is possible to have all the different kinds of value within a set. And if I want to print this set3, then I can write like this: print set3. So here we can see the same set is printed, and if I want to determine the type, right, then let us have its type. So just change the variable name, and here as we are finding the type of set3, just specify the appropriate name. So type of set3 variable is set. So now let us look at the next data type, that is a dictionary data type, and here already we have created one dictionary, right? So let us again create that particular dictionary, that is name of the dictionary is person_dict is equal to, let us have a curly bracket, and then what we can do, single quote. So the key is always specified in single quote, just remember that, and then here name or a value of that key, that is a name is, say, for example here Ajay. So this is a first key value pair. Now let us create a second key value pair, and second key is age and its value is 21. Now let us create a third key value pair. The third key is city and its value is separated by colon, and city name is a Surat. Fine. And I can have a fourth key, say for example fourth key is country, and I can have its value as a, say for example, I can have a double quote also, there is no issue, as here in all the strings I have used single quote, but we can use double quote also. So country, say India. Now so this is a dictionary variable named person_dict is equal to, and in curly bracket I have 4 key value pairs. So key name is a key, Ajay is a value, age is a key, 21 is a value, city is a key, Surat is a value, country is a key, India is a value. Now I want to print this dictionary. So very simple, print, just specify the dictionary, and over here we have the dictionary. Now as we know that dictionary is a unordered, but it is a changeable, and duplicate values are not permitted, means if we specify this again if we specify this key value pair, then it will not consider that one, it will not consider, just see, it will consider only once, even though we have written 2 times, it will consider only once, right. So this is how it do not permit the duplicate values. If I have to access individual values of this dictionary, right, then what I can do, the name of the dictionary, then in subscript here I can specify the key. So name is a key, and I can directly, if I do, then print the edge. I can have a print statement also, print function to print the value also, it will give me the same thing, right. And same way I can print age. So what I can do here, I can specify age, then I want to print city, just see, and then again say I want to print the country, so specify the key country, right, and I have Ajay 21 Surat, India. So this is how access and print the individual values of individual keys, and this is how just by specifying name of the dictionary we can print the complete dictionary. Now let us determine the type of this particular variable. So let us have this one, and let us change these variables over here, fine, and here type of %dict variable is type %dict, and just enter. So here we can see the type of %dict variable is dict. So dict represents dictionary data type. Thank you very much.